Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. So in our previous class we had studied about the introduction and the definition of nutrition along with the different modes of nutrition. Now today we are going to begin with nutrition in plants. First important process which is mentioned over here is photosynthesis. It is the process by which plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. The food prepared is carbohydrate, which is stored in the form of starch. Oxygen is released in this process. So in this process of photosynthesis, what happens? Oxygen is given out and carbon dioxide is taken in. What is the equation of photosynthesis? It is CO2, that is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives, in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, gives C6H12O6, that is glucose, plus 6H2O plus 6O2. These are the byproducts. C6H12O6, glucose is the main product. What is actually process of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis takes place in three main steps. First is absorption, conversion and reduction. In absorption of sunlight takes place by the chlorophyll. In conversion of light energy into chemical energy is done. Splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen is seen over there. And reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen is seen to form carbohydrates. So here on the screen you can see the process of photosynthesis. How the energy from sunlight is consumed and oxygen is released, glucose is formed. Everything is shown over here on your screen. Now let us see an activity to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay, chlorophyll, which is a green color pigment, is very important for the process of photosynthesis. Take a potted plant having variegated leaves, that is croton plant. Keep it in dark room for 3 days so that all the starch is used up. Then keep it in sunlight for 6 hours. Then take a leaf from the plant and mark the green areas of leaf on a sheet. Then dip the leaf in boiling water to make it soft. Then dip the leaf in alcohol and heat it in water bath to decolorize it and remove the chlorophyll. Then wash the leaf in water. The green parts of the leaf changes its color when you dip it in dilute iodine solution. The leaf turns blue-black. This shows that chlorophyll is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. If chlorophyll is not present over there, the leaf will turn blue-black. Another activity to show that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Take 2 potted plants of the same size and keep them in dark room for 3 days so that all the starch is used up. Then keep the plants on separate glass plates. Keep a watch glass containing some potassium hydroxide near one plant to absorb the carbon dioxide. Cover both the plants with bell jars and seal the bottom of the jars with Vaseline to make it airtight. Keep the plants in sunlight for 3 hours and then take leaf from each plant and test for starch. The leaf of the plant kept in the jar containing potassium hydroxide does not show the presence of starch. So this shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. Now we will talk about how nutrition is seen in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular animal. That means it is made up of only one cell. Living in water, it takes in food by forming finger-like projections called pseudopodia and forms a food vacuole. Inside the food vacuole, the food is digested and absorbed. The undigested food is then sent out through the surface of the cell. So children, I hope you all are clear with nutrition in plants and how the nutrition in amoeba takes place.